Well, firefighters continue to battle several wildfires in Southern California that have left thousands of people homeless.
WGN's Dana Rebick spoke with a woman from the Chicago area who's now homeless because of it.
She grew up in Evanston and she moved to California for grad school in 2007. There recently, she started an organization called Door of Hope, which helps the unhoused. She and her 2 young children now facing homelessness after losing their house in the Eaton fire last week.
I have a picture from my neighbors of when the house was still on fire and mostly collapsed, and then I have another picture of it just gone and nothing but the chimney there.
Megan Cartergian, who grew up in Evanston and moved to Southern California in 2007, lost her home in Altadena last week. She and her 2 children evacuated on Tuesday.
Packed the basic papers and a few important things, but that's it. And I left and saw the fire getting worse and worse and worse.
On Wednesday morning, she learned her home, along with dozens of others in her neighborhood, had burned to the ground.
My daughter's Girl Scout troop, 5 out of 12 of the girls don't have homes anymore. So it's decimated our community that much.
When I went up, for example, yesterday in the helicopter and you could see the devastation, it's unimaginable.
So far, 24 people have been killed and 12,000 homes and buildings destroyed in the fires as crews prepare for increasing winds again today. More than 160,000 people are under evacuation orders or warnings.
Everybody needs to stay safe. Please, please, please listen to instructions. If you are told that you are in a warning zone, it would be advised that you actually take that opportunity to leave.
Altadena is such a beautiful community. It's diverse. We take care of each other. It's a really magical community.
Megan Cartergian staying with loved ones in Santa Barbara, now taking stock of the treasured belongings she lost.
My parents' grandfather clock that they gifted me because my grandpa gifted it to them when they had their first baby. I had a wall full of crosses from people from all around the world. My grandmother's paintings. It's that kind of stuff that's hard.
Friends have set up a GoFundMe page for Megan and her children. We do have that information on our website under this story. Today at UCLA, there was also a large disaster recovery center that opened with federal agencies like FEMA on site to help those affected. And we also heard that they are sending nurses to those sites to help people who lost medication, other important things like that in these fires.
Yeah, so sad for so many. Thank you for that, Dana. Yep. And our parent company, Nexstar Media Group, is working with the Red Cross to raise funds. You can scan the QR code you see on your screen if you would like more information on how to make a donation.